Alright, so get this. Today, my coffee maker busted. Okay, I tried to plug it in to my bathroom plug, and it didn't work. Tried to plug it into my kitchen plug, didn't work. So, here's what I'm resorting to. I'm microwaving water because my coffee maker doesn't work. See? And because it doesn't work, now what I'm doing is I got the grounds in, the filter in, everything like normal, except I'm manually pouring water in. That's how you make coffee without a working coffee maker. It's pretty sad, but it works. So here, check it out. You can watch me while I pour the rest of my coffee in, or water into the coffee. Oh, this is great. Works perfect. Ooh, this is hot water. I think I'm going to use this first. If it drains in time, that's what I'll do. But while I'm waiting, oh, see, I already pre-prepped my coffee. I put sugar and cream in it. My world's best dad mug. Now, it's here, and I want it to be here. So what are we gonna do? Well, once it's done, I'll make my cup of coffee. So if you ever get into this predicament and your coffee maker is broken, what you want to do is you want to put your grounds inside of your filter, microwave water, and manually pour the hot water in through the filter. Now, maybe I'll have a cup of coffee in an hour or two. Thanks, America. Choose life.